that, okay? So what I want to do now is just show you the more detailed information about the pills, the oils, how they can be used, how to do it on a day-to-day basis, and then information about how you can order it, and then how you can contact me, so that if you would like to do this, I can help you to get these at a discounted price. So God bless all of you, and please continue watching and as we show you more about the oils. The clear vegetable capsules come with 250 capsules in a little bottle. If you want to take the set of 3 pills twice a day, then 1 bottle a month will be a little bit more than you need. If you want to take the set of 3 pills 3 times a day, you will have to start with ordering 2 bottles for the first month, and then order 1 bottle each month after that for about a year, and that'll be plenty. Okay, for the frankincense oil, if you'd like to take 2 frankincense oil pills every day, then you need to order 3 of these little bottles every month. Now, if you want to take 3 pills every day, then it'll require 5 bottles of frankincense oil every month. The same is true for the orange oil. If you'd like to take 3 orange oil pills a day, then you'll need to order 5 bottles a month. If you'd like to take only 2 orange oil pills a day, then 3 bottles a month will be fine. You may wish to also have an extra bottle so that you can put a few drops of orange oil into your water that you drink throughout the day. Orange oil is not that expensive. To nourish your body so that it can respond well to any treatment you might take, order a box of Ningxia Red 2-ounce packets, 30 in a packet. Order 1 a month and just start the day with 1 each morning. It'll make a world of difference. Order your CBD oil from Charlotte's Web. Order the original formula CBD oil. If you want to take a pill twice a day, you'll need to order 1 bottle every 2 months. If you want to take a pill 3 times a day, you'll have to order 1 bottle every 6 weeks. And remember, order original formula. Okay, to make the pills, we have here the clear vegetable capsules that we use, and we're going to just fill them up by putting drops of oil in them. So start with making 2 frankincense oil pills. Okay, so we take the little capsule and it just comes apart. It's hard to see it, but there's a little top. I'll put it inside the blue thing because otherwise I won't find it on the counter. And then the bottom part. So I take the frankincense oil. Okay, I'm just going to pour it in. So you can see me do this, but I'm just going to pour it in. Until it's full. The drops are not always the same size, so it could take 16 drops maybe, but sometimes 15 or 17. I just fill it until it's full. And just put it here, and then we'll make 1 more because we're using these twice a day, okay? Twice a day. So once again, we fill the little frankincense oil pill. And again, it's I'm filling. I'm not stressing about counting drops or anything. Just fill it up. Okay. Now we get a couple more capsules out. Get ready to make 2 orange oil pills. Okay. It's the orange oil. The same process. Let's fill it right up if we can see it here. Okay, it's hard to tell if you can see it. Okay, same thing, right full. Okay. second one. Okay, now the third pill is the CBD oil pill. And when I started using the CBD oil, Young Living didn't sell CBD oil. But I knew from an expert that it was important to get a good quality CBD oil because it can become, it's very newly legalized, and so it's not regulated real well. And you can get places selling very bad quality, not pure. Well, I found out that a website called Charlotte's Web has real good CBD oil. And after the fact, Young Living started selling it, but I was using the Charlotte's Web CBD oil, and it really had good results, and I decided to just stay with it. Have like a little dropper here, okay, and we just fill it up with CBD oil, okay, and put the little lid back on it. Okay, and that's one, and there's two, okay, coming, here it comes, okay. Pop the lid back on the pill, and we have two sets of pills here, okay, for today. We have another strategy is I try to usually make 3, 4, maybe 5 days of pills ahead of time, so I put them in a container like this, okay, and they're also in the morning I can just get up and I can put them in the 2 little containers and I'm good to go, and I'm not having to manufacture pills every single day, okay. So I have a whole supply here. This is enough to last 3 more days. So that's how we actually just make the pills. Now every day my wife also drinks a little bit of this Ningxia Red. You can get this in the little packets or the bottles. This is very nourishing for the body. So if you're doing anything to help with your health, whether it's fighting cancer or just your general health, your body needs to be working at top condition. The oils will work better in your body if your system is working fully. So she takes a Ningxia Red, and I take one too every morning, okay? So I'm going to make mine. What you do basically, I use the packets. You can get a bottle. If you get a bottle, you'd like fill a little shot glass, okay? What I do is I'll tear it open and put it in the cup, okay? Squeeze it out. I like to squeeze every bit of it out. I kind of go down and don't want it. This stuff is so good for me that I want to get every drop I can.